Hi friends, my name is Akil Ahmed, and in this particular video tutorial I will talk about one of the error. The connection string components cannot contain unquoted semicolons in SSIS. So the agenda of today's video tutorial is how we can fix this particular error in SSIS. So recently I was working on an SSIS project and I got this particular error message, and initially I did not get it, like what might be the reason for the failure of the SSIS package, because I got this error message first time and later when I figured out and fixed it, so I thought that maybe I can make a video so that if someone is searching on this particular error message, so he can find the quick solution on this one. So let's jump to the demo. So I got a SQL Server instance here, and we have a test database that we are going to use, and we are going to use the demo user here, demo SQL user. Okay, and we already have an SSIS package. Okay, and in the SSIS package what currently we are doing, that we are fetching the data from that table, company table. So we are just simply fetching the data from this particular table, and then we have used the derived column, so the data is not going anywhere else. Okay, so this is a simple package that should ideally work fine, but now if I execute this particular package, then somehow it fails. Okay, so we just need to figure out like what is the reason of the failure. So the process is failing, and if I show you, I'm using some parameters here, and first of all let me show you the error message. Okay, and the error message says that the connection string components cannot contain unquoted semicolons if the value must contain a semicolon, enclose the entire value in quotes. Okay, so this kind of error message that we are getting here. So if you check the project parameter of this particular project, so this is the SQL Server instance name, this is database name, this is username, and this is the password. Okay, so if you see this particular password, so let me copy this password, and actually we already have the password here. So if you look closely at this particular password, so we have a semicolon here, and because this particular semicolon, the whole process is failing, the SSIS package is failing. Okay, so now we got two solutions here. The first solution is that either we can just change the password and we can just remove the semicolon from the password. Okay, and then it should work. The second option is that if you go to the properties of the connection string and go to the expressions, so you can just remove the password property from here. So we won't pass the password from the project parameter. We can just simply ask the SSIS package to save the password for us, and then it should work fine. The package should work fine. So for example, if I just remove the password from here, yes, so now the password property will be removed from this particular connection manager. Okay, now we are just passing three parameters: database name, server name, and the username. Okay, if I right click on the connection manager and click on edit, so it will open the connection manager here. Okay, and right now what you can do, you can simply copy the same password and paste it here and click on save my password, and if you do the test connection, so the test connection is succeeded, click OK. Okay, now it saved the password. You can save the SSIS package. Okay, and now you can execute the SSIS package. So this time it should run fine because it saved the password. But if you are passing the password from the project parameter, then it should not contain the semicolon. So these are the two possible solutions for this particular issue. So I think that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching the video, and if you like the video, then please click the like button. Do subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and click on all so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much.